Interested in setting up a shutdown timer on Windows 11? I'll guide you on how to do just that. Stay tuned for a quick and easy solutions to automate your system shutdown. First, press the Windows key plus X hotkey, which will open a Win plus X menu. Select Run on the menu to open the window for that accessory. Type the following shutdown timer command in the open box. Shutdown. STXXXX. Then click OK to set the timer. Windows 11 will shut down after the number of seconds set by your timer command. First, launch the search tool. You can press the Windows key plus S hotkey to do so. Input the keyword Windows Terminal within the text box to find that command line app. Right-click Windows Terminal and select Run as Administrator on the context menu. Then click the Open a New Tab button to bring up a menu. Select Command Prompt on the menu. Enter this command in the Prompts tab, Shutdown STXXX. Then hit the Return key to set the shutdown timer. First, launch the search utility and type Task Scheduler within the Search Tools text box. Select Task Scheduler to open that utility's window. Click Create Basic Task on the right side of Task Scheduler. Enter Scheduled Shutdown within the name box, and click the Next button. Select the One-Time option, and click the Next option to continue. Then choose a date and time for the PC to shut down at, and select the Next option. Click the Start a Program option and Next. Press the Browse button to select the shutdown.exe at c.windowsau-system32 shutdown.exe, then select the Open option. Enter S in the Add Arguments box. Select the Next and Finish options to complete the scheduled task setup. Right-click an empty space on your desktop to select the New and Folder options. Then enter the Shutdown Timer command in the Item Location box. Shutdown STXXX. Click Next to go to the final step. Enter a title for the shortcut in the text box, and select the Finish option. Thereafter, click the Scheduled Shutdown shortcut you just added to the desktop. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.